Why didn't defending soldiers push over ladders during ancient sieges when facing enemies climbing up? It's not that they didn't want to, they simply couldn't move them. This type of siege ladder is also known as a cloud ladder. The top of the ladder is fitted with metal hooks, some forged with sharp spikes. Once hooked onto the wall, pushing it off with brute force is virtually impossible. Defenders had no choice but to throw projectiles to stop the enemy's ascent. However, projectiles were ultimately limited. If the attackers outnumbered them, the defense would still be breached. A more effective method was building Mamian flanking watchtowers along the outer city walls, allowing archers to shoot the enemy from the side. By coordinating front and side defenses, they could strike the enemy without any blind spots. To reduce casualties, the cloud ladder was upgraded. Using tough, old elm wood soaked in tung oil, a well-framed timber tower was built taller than the city wall. Hard wooden planks sealed the front and sides, covered with a layer of mud-soaked hide for superior fireproofing. Several wooden wheels were fitted at the bottom sides for movement, and the interior was split into multiple levels. The top deck controlled the drawbridge mechanism, while providing elevated archers high ground fire superiority to suppress the enemy. On the level below, elite axemen were positioned, with an opening at the front connecting to the drawbridge. During the advance, the drawbridge stayed raised to block enemy arrows. Upon reaching the wall, the bridge dropped, allowing troops to charge straight onto the battlements and cut down defending soldiers. Even that wasn't all. A battering ram timber was mounted underneath. While assaulting the top of the wall, troops below could simultaneously batter the gate. Thus, an impenetrable piece of siege machinery was constructed. This is the Linchong Lugong Tower, Lugong Siege Tower, capable of holding over 100 soldiers at once, making it a powerful weapon in siege warfare. Of course, it also had many flaws. Do you know what they were?